Today we're demonstrating our TST, which is our tree support tie that is designed to tie a tree to a line, a wire line. It's very easy to apply. You just pull the tongue back like this, put it through onto the wire, press down, and that creates a friction. You then tie the tie around the tree, which creates even more friction. Then you do the second tie on the bottom, and that adjusted accordingly, and it doesn't have to be very tight, and that's it. It stops the tree moving along the wire like that. As you can see, it does not move, and it also cushions the tree and protects the bark.